Hi, I'm Sam, Sales Manager at Interface. We're Bitrix24 Gold Partners. In today's quick wins video, I'm going to show you how you can use the CoPilot integration inside the Bitrix24 CRM to easily dissect a block of information into a handy list format so it can be easily analyzed. So let's go into our Bitrix24 system, and we're here inside deals. So if we go into one of the deals that we are working on, I just had a conversation with the customer and I'm going to add a comment. Now I've understood their requirements. So I now have a block of information here. And what we can do is we can highlight that message and then open up the CoPilot integration. And with that CoPilot integration, we can now see the different options that we can perform on that information. So we can analyze the text, or we could come down here and there are different options to modify the text. And what we want to do is we want to convert this text into a list. So we can break this information down into a really handy and visualized format. So let's press the convert to list. And now what we'll see, CoPilot has broken down that information into the core requirements, and it's easily visualized inside a list format. So now I'm going to replace that block of text, and it's now inside here as a list format. And I'm going to save this information, and I'm going to notify one of my colleagues so they can see the list of requirements as well. And that information is now saved inside the deal. Okay, so that is a look at how we can use CoPilot inside the Bitrix24 CRM to break down information into a handy visualized format. Please do check out our YouTube channel to see our other quick win videos that you may also find useful.